Hello guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to set up your IAP in-app purchase for your Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For this tutorial, I will be using back the project from previous tutorial which showing you guys how to set up IAP in your Unity. If you are interested, feel free to check it out. Now, go to your Google Play Store. After you have created an application at your Google Play Store, before you can add any in-app product, we need to upload an APK for it. As you can see, I have uploaded an APK for my internal test rack. So, this is my uploaded APK. So, then go to in-app products, create a manage product. For product ID, we'll go back to our IAP manager to look for it. Copy this and paste it over here. Title 50 gold, 50 gold for description, set it to active. You can use a pricing template to set the custom price for certain country. For this product, I'll be using a default price. Let's see, 3.9 will do. Then, yeah, I think this will fine. Let's click save. It's an error. Product ID must be lowercase. Oh, sorry. For the product ID, it must be lowercase. So let me fix this to lowercase. Cool. Then try to save it. Then we will fix it on our IAP manager also. Let's change the gold to lowercase. Also for the no ads. Now, let's go back and create a product for the 100 gold. Go back to IAP manager, copy the ID, paste it, then title 100 gold, description also, active, add a default price. This will do 37.9. Apply, click save. So now for the last one, create for the no ads. Let's copy the ID. Remove ads, remove ads. Fix the price to 3.9. Okay, cool. Click save. Yep, I think that's it. This is how we set up in-app product in our Google Play Store. So I think let's go to Apple App Store and check it what it look like. Go to your iTunes Connect. In your apps, feature, in-app purchase, and click the add button. So the first 50 gold item will be a consumable. So we'll create a consumable type. So the reference name will be 50 gold will do. Then the product will be gold 50. Now we choose the price. If I'm not mistaken, the price is categorized as tier. So I'm not sure whether we can set a custom price for it. But for now, we will be using tier 1 for this product. So now for this, we need to set a display name for it. It will be 50 gold and a description. 50 gold to the promotion part, optional. Now we need to upload a screenshot for the review. So let's choose an image file. Make sure your screenshot is in the dimension by 640 to 920, else it will not accepted by the store. So let me add some review note. First item in shop. So click save. Description should be the description must be at least 10 character. So let me add 50 gold for the player. Try to save again. Cool. Now let's continue for the 100 gold. Second one, consumable. Gold 100 gold. Gold 100. This will be a tier 2. Then display name 100 gold. 100 gold for player. Let's upload the same screenshot again. The second item in the shop. Cool. Okay, finally the last item will be the no ads, a non-consumable. So let's create remove ads, no ads, tier 1. Upload a screenshot. Third item in the shop. Save. The product ID has already been here. Oh, it must. This product ID I think I used for my previous app before, so let's change it to remove apps. Click save. You must enter. Oh, I missed out the display name. Remove ads. Description. Remove ads for player. Cool. Now it must be correct. Cool. Since we have changed the product ID, let's update the ID for the IAP manager. Also our Google Play Store. Shit. Let's delete this and create a new, because we can't edit a product ID. Remove ads. Remove ads. Set to active. No. 3.9. Click save. Apply. Save. Let me check code correct. The ID correct. Yep, that's it. This is how we set up in-app purchase product in Apple App Store. During your app submission for review, don't forget to include all the in-app purchase items into app review information. So now, let's proceed to how we can test it on an Android device. So make sure this section app release have an APK file and store rating, content rating, pricing and distribution information is complete, then we are only allowed to release into a internal test rack. So as you can see, let me try to edit my release. After I have all the information review, let me check the warning. Oh, I forget add a tester for this release. So let me add a tester for this release. So the tester will receive a opt-in URL to get the download link for this application. So let's go back to edit release and try review again. Cool. Now we try to roll out to our internal test. Okay, cool. I will stop the recording now because the release will take couple of hours for it to be ready in the Google Play Store. Hello guys, the release finally success. A short update to you guys that my app got rejected by the store previously because I was using the Unity logo as the app icon. Now as you can see, I have replaced the app icon. Now let's continue. In order to test our in-app purchase, we need to set up a license testing email at setting, developer account details. We need to add a testing Gmail account for our license testing section. So it might take 15 minutes up to couple of hours for the Play Store to update your license testing email. So now go back to our test release. Make sure we have a tester edit. As you can see, the same email I am provided here, and copy this link. Let's go to our Android device and look for, paste it. You will reach a similar screen over here that invited you to join the test program. The link will be here. So if you are not seeing this screen, please make sure that you have logged in into your Android device with your tester Gmail account. You are not able to join the program by using other account than the account you state inside the tester group. So you can download the apps over the link over here. Then now let's go to our apps. As you can see, the price is loaded correctly from the store, which are the price we set on the store. So let's try to buy it. Now we have successfully received a test response from our Google Play Store. So let's try to buy. Key in my password, buy. Yep, always. Cool. Now let's try to buy the 100 again. Repeat the same thing. Yep. Cool. I think that's it for this tutorial. Make sure you are receiving test response from the store with your tester Gmail account, else your account will be charged for real. And if your test account is not receiving any test response, make sure you have added it to a license testing section and wait for the Play Store to be updated. In my case, I waited 2 to 3 hours yesterday and yet still not received the test response yet. And now, the next day, I finally got it to continue this tutorial. So, I hope this tutorial helps you. If it did, please give this tutorial a like and also subscribe to my channel. I do need some support from you guys in order to continue the channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.